Hey, welcome to the UVDesk Help Desk. Today in this video I am going to tell you that how you integrate your Facebook app with UVDesk Help Desk so that all the comments, feeds and posts will get converted into the ticketing part. So for that you have to first log in with your Facebook account. As here I have already logged in with my test Facebook account, and over the Facebook account I have also created some of the pages like a business page, test page, and here what I need, I need all the activities over my business page, either it is comments, feeds or post, will get converted into the ticket part. So for that we have to integrate this business page with UVDesk Help Desk. So now I am going to switching towards the UVDesk panel, and here you will find an option under the channel section, that is Facebook. Just tap that up and it will redirect you into the Facebook channels. And here you will find an options of overview, screenshots, documentation as well as configuration part. So what you need to do, you need to just tap that configuration part, and here you will find an option to add new channel. Just tap that up, and here you have to log in with your Facebook account. Just tap that up. As here I am continue with my test Facebook account. Now your Facebook will get integrated with the UVDesk Help Desk, and what I need, like I need my business page will get integrated with the UVDesk Help Desk. So for that you have to just tap that new channel, and you will find an options of the pages you have created over Facebook. So I need all the activities over my business page will get converted into the ticketing part. So here I am checked over the business page and just tap over the integrate channels. Here you will find your business page will successfully integrated with UVDesk Help Desk, and here you will find an option of edit. Just tap that up. Under that you will find some of the mediums as well, like first one is create ticket for visitor post, another one is create ticket for comments on the company's post, and the third one is create ticket for visitor private messages. So I need all three of them will get converted into the ticket section. So just save that update medium, and you will get a pop-up message for the same, like channels details updated successfully. Now your integration part will done successfully. Now in the further video I am going to tell you the work performance of the same, like how it works, how the comments, feeds and posts will get converted into the ticketing section. So for that I have also created another Facebook account. Here is my another Facebook test ID, and over there I have searched out that business page. Here it is, and I am going to write a comment on the same page. Just enter. Now I am switching towards my UVDesk Help Desk panel. Here you have to do some of the steps manually. In the Facebook part you will find a configuration option, and under that you will find your page which you have been integrated with your UVDesk Help Desk, and under that you will find an option of edit. Just tap that up. For the latest notification you just need to tap that get latest updates on business page. Just tap over that. Here you will find in pop-up message as well, like all the notifications on your web page will get converted into the ticketing section. Now we are moving towards the ticketing section. And here it is, like someone is commenting on your page, it will get converted into the ticketing part. Now you can also write them back if you want. Here I am writing them back. You will also get notified for the same. And here displayed a pop-up message, reply added successfully. You can also check the same over your page. As I am switching towards another test Facebook account, like from where I have commented on the business page, and business page also replied me back like, hey there. So you will get notified for the same as well. So that's all about the comment section. Now we are moving towards the messaging part. Here you will also find an option to send message. I am writing a message to business page. Now I am switching towards my business page, which I have been integrated with my UVdesk help desk, and you will get notified over here like you have some message in your inbox. Here it is. If someone messages you, then you will get notified for the same as well. Now we are switching towards the UVdesk help desk panel. Now you have to follow the same steps for the for comments, messages and post as well. Here just tap that edit option, and for the latest notification just tap over that get latest updates on business page. And you will also get a pop-up message again. Now we are switching towards the ticket part. I'm just going to refresh it. And here you will find like your messages will also get converted into the ticket section. Like Ruth Helgu recently sent a message to business page, and it will get converted into the ticketing part. Here it is. So that's all about our messages part. Now we are moving towards the post section, like if someone is posting on our page, so how it will get converted into the ticketing part. Now I am switching towards the test Facebook account, and over here you will find an option of create post. Now I am going to create a post on the web page. You will get notified for the same as well. Now for checking this, like this post will get converted into the ticketing part or not, we are switching towards the UVdesk panel. And again we have to follow those steps manually, like edit option and get latest updates on business page. Just tap that up, and you will get a pop-up message for the same. Now we are moving towards our ticketing part. and you will find here like someone posted on your business page, and it will get converted into the ticketing part. That's all about post section as well. Now we have covered all the three sections, like how your comments, post and feeds will get converted into the ticket part. So that's all about Facebook integration with UV Desk Help Desk. Thank you so much for watching this video.